What's up, guys? Crypto Trader Mitch here, and going to do a video on Bitconnect. One of my viewers asked in the comments for a Bitconnect video, so I will tell you what I'm doing, how it's been making me money, and just a quick review on how it works. Um, you can see that I got involved on this account in September 29th, towards the end of it. Just wanted to show you that so you know when I got started. That's when I deposited some Bitcoin, bought the Bitconnect coin to lend. All these are other times when I've um, used my Bitconnect profits to turn it into Bitcoin, which I then have withdrawn out of Bitconnect. So I have been taking money out of this over the last few months I've been in it. So let's just go to the dashboard and we will take a look. So here you can see it gives you lending wallet. This is the money I've earned from interest that I have currently in my wallet. I'm holding some Bitconnect coin because it has been, for the most part, moving up. It's pulled back a little bit recently, but it is much higher than when I got started. It was down in the low 100s when I first got started. And then you can sell that into Bitconnect, into Bitcoin, which is what I'll do. But I'm looking for a rise in the coin before I sell some more. So you can see my total investment, 1,700. That's obviously what's active. Total capital released is going to be zero because the terms of my loan have not finished yet. I've only been in it for 3 months. And then also total that I've earned so far. So basically over the last 3 months, I've earned a total of 1,300. 96 of that is in affiliate bonuses. I really haven't done much affiliate marketing. If you do decide to use BitConnect, obviously it'd be awesome if you sign up under my sponsorship, under my link. I will put a link to that in the notes of the video. But anyway, so you can see I've earned a little over 1,200 from basically just the interest. So the majority of my profit's just been from the interest, and over a few months now, I've already earned 1,300 off of a $1,700 investment. It's a pretty sick return, actually, and I don't know that this is something that's going to last for years and years and years, but it seems to be coasting for now, and I'm going to keep collecting, and until things possibly go south. Who knows? It might last a lot longer than I think it will. But anyway, um, let me show you essentially how everything works. So if you hit the lend Bitcoin, we can get an idea. So based on the amount you invest is the length that it is, your loan essentially is tied up. So anything under 1,000 is 299 days. As you get up from there, it gets to be smaller and smaller lockup periods. So for this account, I had done a $1,200 loan. So we'll look at the volatility here. It shows you basically what it's paying out. So this is the interest that's been paid over the last 5 days. You can see that it fluctuates, but for the most part, it averages a little less than 1%. I'd say like 0.9. So you see, we got some of those, some bad days, obviously some good days above 1%. But on a whole, I'm averaging close to about zero point 0.9. So like I said, just under 1% per day, which again, pretty sick return. So again, this may last, a couple years, may last a year, who knows? I've been in it for 3 months. I almost have my money back at this point, so I'll be free rolling soon, and I'll have my loan returned come summertime, and I think this will still be around then. So you can also see, obviously, the rate of interest. This shows you all the interest payouts for over the past month. You can go as far out as you want. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what the interest is like. So close this. So basically, if you want to get involved in Bitconnect, what you would do is you would send some Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet on Bitconnect. And then from there, you go to the exchange and you would use your Bitcoin to buy Bitconnect coin. And then once you have the Bitconnect coin, you essentially lend it. So it's not much different than transacting any other cryptocurrency. It gives you a deposit address. You click this, gives you the deposit address. You send it from wherever you have your Bitcoin, Coinbase, Bittrex, whatever you use. Do the send. You dump in the address that you were given from your Bitcoin wallet, and then off it goes. And then once it is cleared in your Bitconnect Bitcoin wallet, like I said, you buy the Bitconnect coin on the BCC exchange, and then from there you can lend it. And again, when you go to lend, um, you put in the dollar amount, and essentially, is equivalent to whatever amount you have in Bitcoin. And then based on that amount, you'll know your lockup period. As you can see, if you invest more than 1,000, there's essentially bonuses. The larger you invest, the more interest bonus you get on your daily payouts. And I mean, for the most part, that's really it. It's not rocket science. You're essentially taking Bitcoin and using it to lend to Bitconnect's volatility trading bot, and it pays out the interest based on that. So, in my point of view, as long as Bitcoin is still going higher, I think this Bitconnect thing can last for a while. We've had a pullback in Bitcoin lately, but nothing out of the norm after the move we've had. We're still technically in a bull market in Bitcoin and in a bullish trend. We could even pull back further and still be in a bullish trend. So I am going to ride with this thing really until I see Bitcoin go from a bull market to a bear market. Once Bitcoin is no longer in a long-term uptrend and it's in a long-term downtrend, then I may look to get out of Dodge. But that's assuming my capital has already been freed up. So I'll just take my money and the awesome profits that I'll have after being involved with it for 10 months, and move it on to the next investment. If Bitcoin is still kicking butt and taking names, then I'll probably reinvest a good chunk, because I like passive income, and that's what this provides. I mean, daily passive income. So right now, I'm pulling in a nice chunk of money per month, just off a $1,200 investment. But again, you got to make your own decisions on what's right for you, what risk tolerance you're willing to take, and what your financial goals are. Like have, I shouldn't even say told anyone else. Like I even said to myself when I got involved in BitConnect was, all right, how much money do I essentially don't care about seeing again in case this thing doesn't keep on going, because it's an aggressive investment, it's an aggressive payout, and things got to be going well for it to keep up, and things are going well now. So if I'm willing to take $1,000 to Vegas and blow it at the craps tables, then I figured, all right, I got to throw at least 1,000 into BitConnect, and this has been paying me a hell of a lot better than the craps table does. So I look at it that way. You can't lose when you take that point of view, and this has been great. Like I said, I'm almost at the point now where I'm free rolling. Based on the math I've done, it takes about 3.5 months or so, just in the money earned from interest, to essentially get your money back, and then from there it's pure profit. Obviously, if you get some referrals, once you sign up, you'll get a referral code to refer new members. You can see mine right here. Like I said, I'll dump that in the notes for the video. And yeah, it's another way to earn additional capital and get your investment back even faster. So that's really the gist of it. I mean, I know some other videos where they get all wild and crazy and whatnot, but it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. In the end, it's a good passive income generator, and gives you that extra bonus of generating some referral bonuses if you get signups. So that is it for now. I will be back with a crypto trading charting video probably tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get some newfound action in the new year with the crypto market on a whole. All right. Thanks again.